everyone, it's your girl ADD, and let me tell you, I am so excited about this one. We're talking about Switzerland, land of stunning mountains, delicious chocolate, and those cute little clocks everyone's obsessed with. If you're looking for a trip that's equal parts adventure and treat yourself, you've come to the right place. Get ready to be romanced by Switzerland because this country is about to steal your heart. Let's start with the classics, the places you just have to see in Switzerland. First up, the Matterhorn. Picture this. You, me, a giant, perfectly sculpted mountain, and a selfie stick that's about to break the internet. Next, we're heading up to Jungfraujoch, also known as the top of Europe. Imagine standing on top of the world, surrounded by snow-capped peaks, and feeling like you can touch the sky. And of course, no trip to Switzerland is complete without a visit to Lake Geneva. This place is straight out of a fairy tale, with crystal clear water, charming towns dotting the shoreline, and views that will make you question if you've wandered into a painting. Switzerland is a year-round destination. Summer offers sunshine and wildflowers, perfect for hiking and exploring. Winter transforms the country into a magical winter wonderland, ideal for skiing, snowboarding, and cozying up by a fireplace with some hot chocolate. Buckle up because we're about to embark on some of the most scenic train rides in the world. First up, the Glacier Express. This train journey is like traveling through a postcard. You'll glide past snow-capped mountains, sparkling glaciers, and charming villages, all while sipping on some local wine. Next, we have the Bernina Express, a UNESCO World Heritage route that will take your breath away. Imagine winding through the Swiss Alps, over towering viaducts, and past shimmering lakes. And last but not least, we have the GoldenPass Line. This scenic route takes you through the heart of Switzerland, from the shores of Lake Geneva to the foothills of the Jura Mountains. Book your train tickets in advance, especially during peak season. Chapter 3. Swiss Cuisine and Chocolate. Get ready to indulge. Let's talk about the good stuff. Food. Switzerland is a foodie's paradise, especially if you have a sweet tooth. First up, cheese fondue, a pot of melted gooey cheese just waiting to be dipped into with crusty bread. Next, we have raclette, another Swiss classic. Imagine a giant wheel of cheese melted and scraped onto your plate, served with potatoes, pickles, and onions. And of course, we can't forget about the chocolate. Switzerland is world-renowned for its chocolate. From creamy milk chocolate to rich dark chocolate, there's something for everyone. Be sure to visit a local chocolatier and indulge in some freshly made truffles, pralines, or just a simple bar of chocolate. Switzerland takes its chocolate very seriously. Don't be surprised to find chocolate shops that look like museums. Chapter 4. Charming villages and cities. Postcard perfect moments. Let's take a stroll through some of Switzerland's most charming villages and cities. First up, Zermatt, a car-free village nestled at the foot of the Matterhorn. This place is straight out of a storybook, with horse-drawn carriages, charming chalets, and breathtaking views. Next, we have Lucerne, a picturesque city located on the shores of Lake Lucerne. Explore the medieval Old Town, walk across the iconic Chapel Bridge, and soak up the stunning views of the surrounding mountains. Then there's Interlaken, a town nestled between two lakes and surrounded by towering peaks. This is the adventure capital of Switzerland, with opportunities for hiking, skiing, paragliding, and more. Zurich, Switzerland's largest city, is home to world-class museums, art galleries, and restaurants, as well as a beautiful old town and a stunning lakefront. Chapter 5. Outdoor Adventures. Unleash your inner mountain goat. Switzerland is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, with endless opportunities for hiking, skiing, snowboarding, and more. Let's start with skiing. Switzerland is home to some of the best ski resorts in the world, with miles of perfectly groomed slopes, breathtaking scenery, and cozy mountain huts. If hiking is more your style, you're in luck. Switzerland has a network of well-maintained hiking trails, ranging from easy walks to challenging climbs. Lace up your boots, grab your backpack, and get ready to experience the Swiss Alps up close and personal. For the adrenaline junkies out there, Switzerland offers everything from paragliding to skydiving to canyoning. Imagine soaring through the air, surrounded by breathtaking views, or rappelling down a waterfall. Switzerland has a really efficient public transportation system, so even if you're not planning on renting a car, you can still get to all the best hiking trails and ski resorts. Switzerland. Your unforgettable adventure awaits. So there you have it, folks, your ultimate guide to Switzerland. From the stunning scenery to the delicious food to the endless opportunities for adventure, this country is sure to steal your heart. Pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready to experience the magic of Switzerland for yourself.